Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to act now. First, inspect the gap and note where the latch meets the strike. Once done, open the door and remove the strike plate screws, keeping them organized so you can revert if needed. Next, loosen the latch bolt housing screws about 1/4 turn to let the bolt shift slightly. This gives you room to maneuver without re-drilling. Make sure to hold the door steady while you work so you can see how tiny adjustments affect alignment immediately. Now reposition the strike plate. Move it in the direction the latch needs to travel and mark new pilot holes lightly with a pencil. If the plate sits too deep or shallow, pair the jam recess with a chisel or use a router in small 1 to 2 mm passes so you don't overcut. Once the plate sits flush, fasten with screws. Consider longer or offset screws to draw the frame toward the jam for tighter alignment. Make iterative checks. Finish by tightening every screw and replacing stripped fasteners. Use slightly larger screws or anchors if threads won't bite. Now test the latch through the full swing 5 times, watching for smooth bolt entry without rubbing. If you feel resistance, loosen and readjust incrementally. If alignment still fails, check hinge gaps. Add thin hinge shims or remove material from the door edge with a plane to correct persistent binding. If nothing works, mention this troubleshooting tip. Shim hinges first before recutting jams to avoid unnecessary carpentry.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.